continue. The city of Hampton, the rubber industry, thanks to USAA. Our great country now is being blessed by Sean Carroll, swinging in really fast. This amazing airplane. Over 35,000 of the Yak-1, Yak-3, and Yak-9 aircraft were built during World War II. Production on the Yak-9 actually ended in 1953, going on 56 years ago. But back in the mid-1990s, at the factory where the Yak-9s were built in Russia, parts were discovered. Unused parts. Holding it inverted, Sean Carroll is now tilting his head back and looking at the runway, staying lined up on that 1,000-foot line, throws the stick over to the left hand into the upright position. This guy's a very, very talented pilot. But this one is a liquid-cooled engine. As a matter of fact, as Sean does his 4-point roll, this aircraft has in it an Allison V12 engine. But as Sean Carroll dives in, let's listen to the different sound of this engine, this liquid-cooled V12. Doing a super swing back here to the left. Get a nice shot right down the line. And many early U.S. kills during the Korean War were against Yak-9s that were brought into service at the dawn of the jet age. There's a big old barrel roll, starting and stopping at the same altitude and airspeed. That's the job the pilot has to do. But it could carry 2 bombs that mounted vertically. For the ladies in the crowd today, let me fill you in on this one. There were 12 Russian women pilots who became aces, scoring at least 5 aerial victories flying Yak airplanes. So way to go, ladies. E-51 Mustang made it a lot more stable on the ground. Slowing down to about 130, 120, 110, and just about 90 miles an hour on touchdown, doing a beautiful wheel landing. And as he slows down, he'll let that tail drop. Saying a great big thank you to the Langley Federal Credit Union.